हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। एंड आज की वीडियो में हम बात कर रहे हैं कुछ ऐसी मिस्टेक्स के बारे में जो मैंने पास्ट में की थी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई नेवर लाइक कोडिंग एंड आई थिंक दैट आई विल टेल यू गाइज ऑल अबाउट ऑल दिस राइट नाउ, बिकॉज इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग or if you are in like mid of your coding journey, so you can keep all these things in mind and then move forward with your coding journey. So yeah, let's get started without any further delay. तो पहली चीज थी जंपिंग इनटू फास्ट। तो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक आई मेड वाज डाइविंग इनटू कोडिंग विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बेसिक्स। मतलब डाइविंग इनटू डायरेक्टली ऐसे काफी टफ वाले प्रॉब्लम्स लीड कोड पे। सो इट्स टेम्पटिंग टू स्टार्ट विथ हार्ड स्टफ, but without a good foundational knowledge you will feel like lost. So take it slow, I'll say. Start with the basics, build up from there and start with the theory concepts first. Clear all your theory concepts and उसके बाद ही coding पे जाओ. Don't just dive into it before knowing the basics, because it can be very difficult for you in future to understand the concepts and get better understanding to the concept. So I think that this was the one of the mistakes I have done, that I was like very eager to start with coding and eager to build all the app, all the things I want to build in my life. So because of that I have just lagged behind reading the theory concepts and especially the basics. So because of that I was like in the mid of my whatever I was building at that time. I was like, okay, how this is happening, why this is happening, and then I realized that this is a very basic thing that I didn't know. So this is the first thing. Second thing was like not sticking into something. Matlab, I think the consistency is super important. I've already mentioned a lot of times, and I studied hard for a few days and then I took a long break, so which slowed me down. And when I try to code a little bit every day, even if it's just for like short time, it helps me a lot. So consistency practice helps a lot, whether it's like for 10 minutes a day or for 1 hour a day, doesn't matter. At least एक दिन में अगर तुम coding start कर रहे हो तो फिर एक दिन में एक बार coding करनी ही चाहिए. And if you are not confident enough कि मैं consistent नहीं हो पाऊंगा, तो just don't start it. Just create a timetable, create a calendar and like plan things accordingly, because पूरे दिन में से अगर तुम 10-15 मिनट भी देके कोडिंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हो, एक लीड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हो, that will really impact your skills. The third thing was being afraid to mess up. I was really very afraid कि अगर मैंने कुछ भी चेंजेस कर दिए या फिर कहीं भी कुछ चेंजेस की तो वो mess up कर दूंगी मैं. So I think that you shouldn't be afraid to make mistakes. I was always scared of messing up when I started coding. But mistakes are the part of learning here. So try different things, and if you get stuck, ask for help. Even if you think that it's a mistake and you are scared कि अगर भाई गलती होगी तो क्या होगा, but still ask, because every time you will make mistake you will learn something new. So get a mentor for yourself around you, and just if you're making mistakes, ask for the help and just work together, because it really helps a lot. Sometimes even now also I sometimes get scared of asking questions, but I think that it shouldn't be the case, and you should always ask questions and explore things. So I think that this is a very important part. Next thing was going solo and doing things alone. So the thing is that don't try to learn everything of your by your own. I made that mistake, but I found out that learning with others is awesome. So I think that you can join coding groups and go to meetups and connect with other coders. And learning is like together is much more fun, and it will help you to process fast and in a fun way. So I think that this is very important. And the fifth thing is like never forget to have fun. You are working, you are doing, you are coding, you are doing anything in your life. Don't forget to enjoy yourself. Coding can be tough, but it's also a really very cool thing. So if you are not having fun, you might lose interest. So find projects that excites you, try different coding languages and celebrate your success, obviously, and enjoy the journey. I believe if you are not happy with one programming language, or if you are not happy with one part of development, so try and explore different parts. Okay, maybe you are liking C++ more than Python, or maybe you are liking Python more than Java. So you may never know unless you will explore, right? So I think that you should do that, and it's just not stuck in one thing. Like अगर app development कर रहे हैं तो बस app development करना है, वेब डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं तो वेब डेवलपमेंट करना है, तो ऐसा एक चीज पे प्लान मत करो. हर फील्ड को एक्सप्लोर करो, मशीन लर्निंग एक्सप्लोर करो, सब कुछ एक्सप्लोर करो. इन दी एंड चूज द राइट पाथ. यू थिंक दैट दिस इज द समथिंग इन विच आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है ये चीज, ये वाला कोडिंग करके, ये चीज करके. सो ये चीजें ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अभी एट द स्टार्टिंग स्टेज अगर पता चल जाता है तो इट रियली बेनिफिट्स यू थ्रू आउट. So yeah, I think that's pretty much about today's video, and I think that it could be very helpful for you guys if you are really implementing all these things and avoid these mistakes which I have made. And I think that you should not make these mistakes in your life. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.